Glimpse can support Toobit and Bybit. The trading desk logic is the same, but the exchange experience is not. Toobit is the recommended default for the free setup path because it is usually simpler for early users. Bybit has a deeper Bitcoin perpetual order book, but also has more visible country restrictions and KYC requirements. This matters because Glimpse cannot override exchange rules. Exchange availability depends on your country, account type, KYC status, API access, futures access, and the exchange terms at that time. For example, Bybit lists restricted jurisdictions, including the United States. That means a public tutorial cannot say Bybit is available to everyone. The safest rule is this: choose the venue that you are actually allowed to use. Complete the exchange checks honestly. Use the same UID through the entire setup. Do not try to route around region, KYC, or derivatives restrictions. If your route is unclear, use paid plan notification or wait for manual review. Instead of forcing an exchange connection,